Everyone, welcome back to my channel. We already covered uh, what is computer vision and why Python, how to install Python using pyenv, and today we will go with this management, packages management with Beauty, and of course you could use Anaconda, and there are some other, let's say, dependencies, management dependencies. But I would recommend you to use Beauty. Why Beauty? So because you can use different versions of some projects. Sorry. So during my working at a company, at companies with a long 7 year and 9 years, so I struggle with the dependencies of packages. So finally, I found this Beauty, which is really nice, and it will help you a lot. And today we will see how to install Beauty. So let me just go to the directory. So let's assume this is our directory, right? And I would like to, we already covered this, the pyenv. So let me pyenv, how to install pyenv and everything. So let me just go to this directory, and here we can see just, okay, I had already opened we open the terminal here, just open the terminal here, and we can see, uh, let's see, just to see which Python version we have here, and we have, this is the global version. And of course, you know how to change the Python version. Just use pyenv log. First, you need to see pyenv. What are the Python's version already installs versions? And you can see here I have these three versions of Python, and the default one is this. But because I have already changed it to, when you see, when I open the Python in this directory, the Python version is 3.11. Why is that? Because yesterday I have changed it to, I have tried to create a Beauty indeed. But let me just try with another, let's see, Python, directory, just to make it really clear. I will call this directory as Beauty, Beauty test. So now if we see, I I can open the visual code is as well here. So let me see, I will just open a terminal as well. Terminal, new terminal. So if I see now Python, so you can see the default, the global one Python, the global Python is 3.9. Now I need to change it to, let's see, the local version. Python version should be 3.11. So what I can do, pyenv, I already covered this tutorial, so if you are not familiar with this, please have a look in the previous video. So local, and I will see the Python version 3.11.0. So now if I type Python, and you can see the Python version is 3.11. This is change when I see local, but the global one, the global Python, if it's not defined, it will take this 3.9. And by the way, it will also create a file here, Python slash, dash version. And inside this file, it will be, the version is 3.11.0. Now there are several, not several, but two methods if you would like to create create a Beauty. So indeed, in the beginning, let me just open this. In the beginning, you need to install. Oh, sorry, just close this. Oops, I will just see pip install pu3, just like this, because I already installed. I think I'm just using this with my stuff. Okay, it's already installed. So let me just see pu3 version. The pu3 version is 2.1.1. Now I would like, let's see, to create a toml file. So to create a toml file, you have two different steps. So either you can just use because I'm already in this file, in this directory, I can just see pu3 init initialization. Just and hit enter. What would you like to call this? This package name? It might be this one. And if you need this, just hit enter. If you need to change it, type it here, and I will just keep it like this. And the version of this package, because let's see you are developing in one project, right? And the version of this project will be changed over time with, for instance, adding features, bug fix, and any many other let's say stuff. And right now the version of this package, it will be 0.1.0, just like KBT. And here we need to see test. Type test how to sorry, install pu3 package. Hit enter, and the author is like this. So would you like to have this, or you'd like to skip n to skip? So but I will just keep it as a default. License, just keep it empty. And now compatible Python version is 3.11. Why is that? Because I have changed it here with the command pyenv local Python. And I will just keep this. And would you like to define main dependencies interactively? I will see for now no, because I would like to add the packages myself. I will just to show you how to do it. Would you like to add? I will say no. So do you confirm generation? I will say yes. So this will generate a toml file. And as you can see here, the toml file is the name of the beauty and the version of your package, the description, the author, and readme file. The Python required Python is this one, and this is the required beauty course. This will generate it automatically when you follow these steps. Now, how to add packages to this? So let me see. Uh, I will add packages, for instance, pu3 add. It's super easy. Add OpenCV and OpenCV for Python, right? And of course, you can add numpy in one file, in one line, and add many others as you want. But let me just try with OpenCV. I'll just show you how to do things. And this, when you add this, it will try to create, uh, let's see, an environment which is separated from your other environments. And if you see, I have many environments, but this will be separated from others. And if you see now, if you see the toml file, now when you see, I have, where's the pu3 has to be added, the OpenCV has to be added here. Yeah, it's here. For instance, this is the OpenCV, the dependencies, and you can add numpy. And of course, if you have any specific version of NumPy, you can just type this and type the version. But for now, I have, let me just see if I have, let's see, example. Let's say, for instance, I need this version, specific version of the NumPy. I can just add NumPy and this add and the version itself. So, and let's see what will happen here. So uh, couldn't find a match version of packages because I'm using now, let's see, Python 3.11, and this might be not supported, but let me just see, add NumPy, and you can see it's added NumPy here. So let me see, I need a version 3. This one, for instance, and add. By the way, you can also remove this, remove NumPy. If you see no, remove NumPy, it will be removed also from here. Now I have no Python, no NumPy. And let's say I need this version here, 2.2.5, because it's now compatible with this. And you can see NumPy is equal 2.2.5. Now this is how to add stuff, how to add packages, and also how to remove packages. Now, if you see this Beauty, it will generate a log file, Beauty log file. Now, if you send this file, if you are, let's say, assuming you are working with your friends, this you need to just send it this file as it is. Now, if I would like to, it will work perfectly with him without any issues. It will install these versions here, and if you see, for instance, NumPy NumPy and the 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 dependencies of NumPy and etc. And you can see here, for instance, Python version. I mean, OpenCV. It has this version. So when you have added to your friend or just leave it to your friend, you will get this without any issues. Now, how to get to the PU? How to access PU3? How to activate? Let's see. PU3 PU3 shell. So you can see PU3, it's now activated. Now I can use it as Anaconda and any others. So now assume that you are adding, let's see, for instance, I don't know what should be here, pillow. Let's see, pillow. This is for image processing as well. Now I haven't added here. No, this I haven't used it by PU3 add and blah blah blah. Now what you can do is just run PU3 install. It's not okay. It's needed indeed. Uh, have specific version. But let me just run this again and see if it works. No. Okay, you need to run this PU3 look because it's already said. This is it. The beauty is already looked. This one is somehow added after the beauty add. So you need to beauty so look to add this. Run this, and now if you see, I will just add this beauty install. This I have no idea. Read me path is not added. If I see beauty add, indeed I need beauty add pillow. Oops. Add pillow. I'll just remove this from here. But indeed you need to specify the version. Okay, it's here. So we need to specify what is the minimum and what is the maximum version. And to exit from here, exit. So now you are out of the beauty. And to I already showed you how to remove and how to add packages to this. Other commands are, let's see, might be helpful. For instance, if you see pip list, it will show you all the packages installed in this file, right? But sometimes you see spy and set tools and are not in this file here. So these are, let's see, not needed. Let me just move this. These are not needed. This will be installed automatically, and if you see this in the new file, it will be many, let's see, many packages. But let's see, you need to see how beauty, you see the packages here. So show as 3, I think this command, maybe 2 dashes. And you can see NumPy, it's the version of NumPy is 2.2.5 and has no dependencies to any other package. But if you see OpenCV, this is the version and it depends on this versions of NumPy. And if you see Palo, it's the version is 11.2.1 and has no dependencies. Let's see, based on the other packages. So this is show you what is the dependency between the packages. And one more command, last command. You can see beauty env to give you information about the environment. And why we need this? Let's see. Sometimes I have main sorry main.py and I have print hi. Sorry, this is wrong file name. I mean extension. Should be dot. And now I have this file here. So to run this with debugging, you need to define what is the environment here. So let's see to select the interpreter. How to select the interpreter? So Control Shift P. Control Shift P. And you can select this interpreter, but sometimes you are not you don't need you don't know where's the interpreter, so you can just use this beauty info and it will give you this directory. And let me just see this. I will just go to script and I will see I need interpreter path find, and I can go to the directory. I just click here, not enter, click here and select the Python. Now you can see here this is activated here, the package, and this is how to activate the packages. And I think that's it for today. It's already a long video. If you like this video, please subscribe into my channel. And from next videos, we will see how to make let's see a real code. We will start, I think, how to do small projects. And by the way, I have updated. I will update the README file. So, for instance, let me just see review preview, and you can see I already type here how to install Python and pyenv. And for instance, this is a pyenv for Windows, and this is the most, let's see, important command. And for this, I will add also I will add here the important commands for the beauty, and of course, this will help you a lot. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.